Thank you very much. I'm called Odong G Geoffrey. So these are some simple things which locates my dreams. So at first, my first dream, I want to be an artist. So I want to be an artist who is at the same time a guitarist. So as you can see, this is a guitar. This is exactly me playing the guitar. So this is my house, because I also have a dream of building a house, and this place is all my land. At the same time, I want to have a nice car, because as a celebrity, should have something like for a transport. So this is my vehicle, and this is my house. So during my free time, I want to be playing guitar in front of my house when I'm just sitting alone, relaxing. So these are the trees behind the house. So this is the fence that I've planted it myself. Yeah. So these are my dreams. Yeah. Thank you very much.